Let's go!
No! God, please, no! No!
Hey! Huh?
Let's go.
What the?
No.
Wow! Huh? Huh? Oh.
Let's go!
Yes, sir!
Get out! Hoo-yah! Let's go!
Only children would play this game.
You dare say this game is for children? Fine. Step up, face me. If you can defeat me, you'll earn a reward beyond your wildest dreams.
What the heck are you supposed to be, huh? You stinky shark. Who's joining?
No!
I don't really care. You're in. I signed you up, Roran. Completely ignored my opinion. Good, I'm done. Huh? Why did I come here in the first place?
Oh.
Oh no!
Hey you! Hey you! Hey you!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
We won't lose to a fool like you, Roran.
3, 2, 1, go!
漂亮老师，我没有老皮呢。
No! God! No! Get out! Yahoo! I'll be the winner, you stinky shark.
Ha ha! You can't fly faster than you can swim, you silly little fool!
I don't want to be skewered. Not me.
Huh?
Step back before we're roasted! Don't tell me it's the BBQ kitchen ghost.
Who dared to grill me?
Hey, you!
What's that?
Oh, I don't know. It looks like a skewer killer. Skewer killer? Watch this. I'll turn that skewer into the best dish of the night.
Oh my god!
Bye bye.
I'm getting fried!
If it's a grilled skewer, then it must love sauce.
Okay, let's go!
What the?